What's up, everybody? It's Atul here, and today we're doing something huge. Ever looked at Earth and thought, this could sell for a fortune? Well, you're not alone. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to sell our beloved planet Earth. And who knows, you might even get $1 trillion offer. Let's get started. Earth is prime real estate in the Milky Way. Beautiful sunsets, free water, and a mostly functional atmosphere, but like any property, you need to prep it before listing. Let's talk about the first step, making it alien ready. Imagine an alien family browsing through planets on Zillow Galactic. They see Jupiter, too gassy, Mars, too dusty, and then bam, Earth. But wait, what's that giant floating garbage patch? Not exactly the best first impression. First impressions matter, even when selling a planet. Sure, Earth is great, but it's got a few quirks. For example, the oceans. They're beautiful, vast, full of life, and absolutely choked with plastic. We're talking trillions of pieces of plastic, folks, enough to make an alien think we're using the Pacific Ocean as a giant recycling bin. So step one of selling Earth Operation Ocean Cleanup. Imagine a fleet of futuristic solar-powered ships equipped with giant nets and AI-powered sorting systems. These bad boys would be scooping up plastic 24/7, separating it, recycling it, and turning that trash into treasure. We could even get creative. Imagine turning that collected plastic into giant floating art installations visible from space. Talk about turning a negative into a positive. Aliens would be impressed by our ingenuity and dedication to cleaning up our act. But it's not just about looking good. It's about protecting the incredible marine life that calls our oceans home. Imagine showing an alien buyer a coral reef teeming with life, or a pod of whales breaching majestically. All thanks to our efforts to clean up the oceans. Now that's a selling point. And hey, while we're at it, let's tackle those underwater oil spills and chemical runoff zones. We can use innovative bioremediation techniques, introducing microorganisms that literally eat up pollutants and restore the ocean to its former glory. Imagine showing an alien buyer a crystal clear underwater paradise, free of pollution and teeming with life. They'd be signing the intergalactic deed before you could say, sold. To really supercharge this effort, we could challenge countries around the world to a cleanest coastline competition. The prize, bragging rights, a giant trophy, and a visit from yours truly. We could even get some celebrity endorsements on board. Picture Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson cleaning up a beach. By showcasing our commitment to clean oceans, we're not just making Earth more appealing to buyers, we're making it a better place for everyone. It's a win-win. And who knows, maybe those aliens will even share some of their advanced tech to help us speed up the process. After all, a clean planet is a happy planet, right? Next up on our intergalactic to-do list, the ozone layer. Now, for those of you who skipped Earth science class, the ozone layer is like Earth's sunscreen, protecting us from harmful UV rays. And let's be real, no one wants to buy a planet with a sunburn. Problem is, we humans haven't been treating our ozone layer too kindly. Years of using ozone-depleting chemicals have thinned it out, making Earth look a little worse for wear. But don't worry, we've got a plan. Imagine this, giant solar-powered drones soaring high above the Earth, releasing a special ozone-friendly gas that helps repair the damage. We're talking cutting-edge technology here, people. These drones would be like flying mechanics, patching up our atmosphere and making it good as new. We could even have them project giant smiley faces onto the ozone layer, just for fun. Now, I know what you're thinking, Atul, this sounds expensive. And you're right, it would be. But hey, we're talking about selling a planet here. We got to spend money to make money, right? Plus, think of the long-term benefits. A healthy ozone layer means a healthier planet for everyone. We're talking lower rates of skin cancer, healthier ecosystems, and happier humans. All things that would make Earth even more attractive to potential buyers. And to really sweeten the deal, we could offer a lifetime warranty on the ozone layer. Any alien civilization that buys Earth gets free ozone repairs forever. Talk about customer service. So there you have it. Step 2 of selling Earth. Patching up the ozone layer and making it better than ever. Stay tuned for the next chapter, where we tackle the big one, climate change. Okay, folks, time to address the elephant in the room, or should I say, the melting glacier in the ocean, climate change. It's no secret that Earth's climate has been acting a little crazier than a squirrel on a sugar rush. We're talking wilder weather, rising sea levels, and enough natural disasters to make even a superhero nervous. But hey, every problem is just a challenge in disguise, right? So how do we solve this climate change conundrum and make Earth irresistible to intergalactic investors? Well, buckle up, because we're about to brainstorm some next-level solutions. First off, let's talk renewable energy. Imagine covering vast deserts with solar panels, harnessing the power of the sun to fuel our planet. We could build massive wind farms off the coasts, capturing the ocean breeze and turning it into clean energy. And hey, while we're at it, let's dive into the world of fusion power. It's like nuclear energy, but way cooler and without the radioactive waste. Imagine harnessing the same power that fuels the stars to power our cities, cars, and even our toasters. Next up, reforestation on an epic scale. Imagine planting billions, no, trillions of trees all over the planet. We're talking massive forests absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere like giant green sponges. We could even get creative and invent some crazy new technologies like giant carbon-sucking machines that filter greenhouse gases out of the air and turn them into breathable oxygen. And to top it all off, we'll launch a global education campaign teaching everyone about climate change and how we can all do our part to save the planet. Think of it as the biggest science project ever, with all of humanity working together to create a brighter future. Now, I know what you're thinking. Atul, this sounds like a lot of work. And you're right, it would be. But hey, we're talking about saving the planet here. Imagine pitching this to our alien buyers. Not only are you getting a beautiful planet with stunning views and diverse ecosystems, but you're also getting a front row seat to the most ambitious environmental project in history. Solving climate change isn't just good for the planet, it's good for business. It shows potential buyers that we're serious about taking care of our home and that we're committed to creating a sustainable future. And who knows, maybe those aliens will be so impressed with our efforts that they'll throw in a free spaceship or two as a bonus. So, there you have it, folks. We've cleaned up the oceans, patched up the ozone layer, and tackled climate change. Earth is looking pretty good, if I do say so myself. Now, all that's left to do is put a for sale sign out front and wait for the offers to roll in. Who knows? Maybe we'll even start a bidding war between a few alien civilizations. Just imagine Earth, the hottest property in the galaxy. And hey, if the price is right, I'm sure we can work out a deal that includes a few interstellar vacations for all of us. After all, we deserve it after all this hard work, right?